This is by far my favorite Switch charger that I've ever purchased. I take this charger everywhere with me. It's very durable and is small enough to fit in a purse or a backpack, which is perfect for travel or people who want a game on the go. I've also noticed that this charger charges my Switch so much faster than any of my other previous chargers, which I'm incredibly happy with. I can also play my game while it's charging. And since this is USB-C type charger, it can charge most other devices, such as my Switch controller, my Android phone, and many other small devices. It's super easy to plug in and stays plugged in. The connector is also reinforced, so I don't have to worry about it bending while I'm laying down.